Hello everyone, this side Manish Kuliani. In this video, I am going to discuss one case study related to my subject sales and logistic management. So in tomorrow class, we will discuss the possible solution of this case study and you people will suggest what would be the possible solution of this case study. So watch it carefully, read it carefully. The topic of this case study is marketing and logistics of mushroom. Now, this case study is all about two young blood named Avilar and Ronit. Avilar and Ronit are two innovative youth, means you can say two young blood creative youth future entrepreneurs. They have passed out from IIM Mumbai. They thought instead of doing a job, they will launch fresh vegetables in Indian market. Means rather than doing a job, they want to set up their own venture and they choose a business of vegetable. Means after conducting so many research, after conducting tests, marketing, pilot survey, they came on a conclusion that they will launch fresh vegetables in Indian market. Reason being, they knew India has filled by foodie people and India population is so large, so they will never face recession in Indian market, and we all know this thing. It will never be recession in vegetables in India. So that's why they both choose business of vegetables. And in business of vegetable, they choose one segment of mushrooms. Means having learnt of the future conventional food, they decided to venture into cultivation of mushrooms. Now the question in your arise in your mind, why they choose mushrooms? The reason is this: mushrooms are known to be the best alternate foods for vegetarian. Now, how can you say that mushrooms are known to be the best alternate food vegetarians? Let me explain with the help of example. Suppose, have you heard about KFC chap? If person is pure vegetarian, if pure vegetarian people eat KFC chap, they feel like they are eating non-veg. So those who are pure vegetarian, they will relate to this thing. That's why it's called mushrooms are known to be best alternate foods for vegetarian. So all vegetarian people relate to this thing. But the next constraint they are facing is related to funds. For them, fundraising was a serious handicap for mass production. Reason being, they both are a very small entrepreneur, young entrepreneur. They set up on a small scale. So arranging funds on convenient terms was another imperative constraints for them. In spite of this, they produced their first lot of mushroom. However, the first trial batch of mushroom that they produced was bought by Star Hotel in Bangalore. Means, in spite all difficulties, they produced their first lot of mushroom and it was bought by Star Hotel in Bangalore. Not only this, but also the hotel placed another order for supply of 50 kg mushrooms every day. Now, next is, now mushroom industry is run by small entrepreneurs like Avilar and Rohit. But after some time, as you know, in today's scenario, there's a no monopoly in any business. So after some time, one competitor by the name of Siddhi Vinayak entered in a market with cold storage facility. Reason being, mushroom is a perishable product. But Avilan and Ronit both are small entrepreneurs. They don't have cold storage facility. So new competitor entered in the market with cold storage facility that was more interesting in export market. Now, Avilal and Rohit has set their sights high. Means both want to grow in near future. Both are ambitious. So they aim to sell mushrooms in a big way all over India, and they knew mushrooms have a great market potential and it is a perishable food. But like his competitor Siddhi Vinayak, they don't have cold storage. Then how they can successful in export of mushrooms? But in spite of all these difficulties, they want to survive in a market. Now you tell me how they will tackle this situation. So the possible questions: how will you advise Avidal and Ronit as how to increase the consumer awareness about this new food? And what would be your suggestion for distribution channel for mushrooms? Reason being mushroom is perishable good. They don't have cold storage facility because they both are small entrepreneurs. Now you have to suggest possible solution. So tomorrow we will discuss with the possible solution. Read it, watch it carefully. Tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you so much. Happy learning.